Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Today, listen to the conversation of the two children about the doctor. So, let's be started.
Hello Rani, how are you?
I am fine today. And you?
I am also fine, thank you.
Raju, today you tell me about the doctor.
Yes, why not?
Oh, very
The
nice.
doctor.
Excellent, Raju.
The
Very
doctor
good.
treats us in our illness. When we go to him, he examines us and finds out our troubles. He gives us medicine and cures us. He is cheerful and smiling. He speaks softly and is very kind to his patients. His life is hard. He has no fixed time for rest and sleep. He has to visit the sick at any hour of the day or night. He lives in the midst of disease and death. He saves lives. Thank you.
Okay, see you again.
Okay.